找一个地方一起喝杯茶 Let's find somewhere to grab a cup of tea together
深夜的街道，灯光多么温柔 The late night streets, the lights look so cozy
聊聊最近的梦想或计划
Let's just chat about our dreams and plans
听着心跳，这是我们的时间
Listen to the heartbeat
This is our time
我最近打算学一件新事情 I've been planning to learn something new lately 每天留一点时间给自己 Just to make a little time for myself every day
我觉得这件事很有意义
I feel like it really means a lot to me
虽然有一点难，但我很期待
It's a bit tough, but I'm super excited 一步一步慢慢地往前走 Step by step, taking it slow
跟着节奏放松你的心灵
Follow the rhythm, just relax your mind
生活就是我们最棒的舞台
Life is our very best stage 自然地说，自然地听 Speak naturally
Listen naturally 有时候会累，有时候会迷茫
Sometimes we get tired, sometimes we feel lost
看着窗外，世界依然美丽
Looking out the window, the world is still beautiful
不用太着急，时间会给你答案
No need to rush, time will show us the way
手里拿着咖啡，继续微笑吧
With a coffee in hand, let's keep on smiling 一步一步慢慢地往前走 Step by step, taking it slow
跟着节奏放松你的心灵
Follow the rhythm, just relax your mind
生活就是我们最棒的舞台
Life is our very best stage 自然地说，自然地听 Speak naturally
Listen naturally
这就是我最近的小计划
So that's my little plan lately
做自己喜欢的事，过简单的生活
Do what I love
Live a simple life
身边有你
还有温暖的音乐
With you by my side And this
Warm music around 听歌放松然后自然学会 Listen, relax and speak naturally
我们下次见